What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Brandon. Welcome back to Creighton TV. In today's video, I'm bringing back another unboxing. I got the iPhone 11 Pro Max Midnight Green Edition. So let's get to this unboxing. If you're new here, make sure you like this video up, subscribe if you're new. Let's get to it.
But since I came into the game, I've been going harder in the paint.
So here we go, y'all. Here's the unboxing of the Midnight Green iPhone 11 Pro Max. You've probably already seen a bunch of videos on these online. So I'm bringing you mine. Let's get to this unboxing. Don't need that no more. Here we go. That down. Ooh, look at that color, dog. Ooh, that midnight green. Ooh, look at that color. Trying to get it off the light a little bit. Woo! Just set that off to the side. Just like the last unboxing, like the gold. You already know what we get inside. You get, lightning to USB-C, 18-watt charger, headphones, stickers, yada yada yada. Bada bing, bada bing. But this color though, ooh, this color is clean. Ooh. Let me know what you think about this color in the comment section below. Midnight green, what's your favorite color? This is 256 gig. Well, that being said, I hope you did enjoy that video of the iPhone 11 Pro Max Midnight Green unboxing. Stay tuned for more videos. If you're new here, like this video up, subscribe if you're new. But that being said, this is your boy Brandon coming to you from Creighton TV. God bless everybody, and I'm signing out of here. Peace.